Welcome to the discussion and thank you for always joining us. We are presenting a question that was done in K.c.s.e 1990 paper 1, question number 15, a question on differentiation and its applications. And the question we have reads, a farmer has 1,200 meters of wire to fence 3 sides of a rectangular paddock. The fourth side is a wall. Find the dimensions that will give the maximum possible area. Even without seeing the heading differentiation, whenever you see wordings like maximum or minimum possible of something, then that question is likely to be from differentiation. We have been told that a farmer has 1,200 meters of wire. I'm going to begin by drawing the wire, and the wire is 1,200 meters. And this wire is supposed to fence a rectangular enclosure, but we have been told that one of the sides is a wall, and therefore the wire is going to fence a perimeter of 3 sides. We know the perimeter is equal to the length, which is 1,200 meters. The shorter side of the rectangle is the width. This is also W, and the longer side is going to be the length. Remember, if you add these two widths, that is W plus L, this one is likely to give us 1,200 meters. W plus W will give us 2W plus L, and this one is going to give us 1,200. To make the length the subject, we are going to move twice W to the other side, such that our L is going to be 1,200 minus twice W. Since we are talking about maximum possible area, we are going to find the area of the rectangular enclosure by simply multiplying the length times the width. The length has been given as 1,200 minus twice W. We multiply by the width. In this case, if you open the brackets, we are going to have 1,200 times W, giving us 1,000 W. Negative twice W times W will give us twice W squared. Remember, at maximum or minimum of anything, then the differential function is going to be equal to 0. So we know at maximum area, then the area over the W will be equal to 0. So what we are going to do, we are going to differentiate 1200 W minus twice W squared. If you differentiate 1200 W, we get 1200, then minus twice W squared. The power multiplies with 2, then you go and less 1. This one is going to give us 4W, and this one will be equated to 0. If you move minus 4W to the other side, it becomes a positive. That means 4W will be equal to 1200. If you divide both sides by 4, 4 and 4 will cancel, which brings us to W being equal to 300 meters. With the width in place, we can get the length. And in this case, the length is going to be obtained from this point where we are going to have 1200 minus twice into W, and W is 300. This is going to be 1200 minus 2 times 300 will give us 600, and this one is going to give us 600. Therefore, in this case, we are going to conclude and say the length is going to be 600 meters. Then our width is going to be 300 meters, and that gives us the dimensions that will give the maximum possible area. Just in case they wanted the maximum area, then we could have gotten the 600 meters as the length multiplied by 300, and this one is going to give us 18. This one is going to give us 18 because 3 times 6 is 18. Then we have the 4 zeros giving us 180 meter square as the answer, just in case they wanted the maximum possible area. Thank you for watching and welcome to our discussions. And in case you are watching this channel for the first time, please take a second or two, you click the subscribe button so that anytime we publish a video like this, you will automatically be given a notification. Thank you and welcome.